This YouTube channel about horror clips, which they take from TikTok, is making $8K a month just from taking clips and posting them onto YouTube. And the best part is, they started doing this less than a year ago. They are making what some doctors make just by taking videos from TikTok and uploading them to YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how you can replicate the same method and start making money on YouTube with the power of AI to create a script, edit, and create a faceless YouTube channel. I will be giving you very valuable information that can make you quit your 9-to-5 and completely automate the channel with just 5 AI tools. I will, for the next video, include my progress on following this exact method as I've done with other channels, but I haven't documented them, so stay subscribed and look out for the results. Let's start out with explaining the YouTube automation business model and how you get paid. If you didn't already know, YouTube pays its creators an ad revenue. This means that every 1,000 times a video is watched on your channel, you will get a certain amount of revenue. The CPM on a video is what YouTube takes before they're cut, and the RPM is what you will receive. This is important to understand. All you have to do is follow this 5-step guide, which the gurus will never want to show you, as it wakes you up from your slumber and realize what they do to make thousands of dollars every month. Now let's get into the 5-step process to fully automate your YouTube channel, like the TikTok horror clips channel I showed you earlier. To write a script, we'll be using ChatGPT, as it's very easy to use and it's free, so you'll be able to pick it up in no time. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT to write you a script on your given subject. So for example, give me a TikTok horror clip script for my YouTube video, which will keep my viewers engaged, or even top 5 TikTok horror stories. Then let ChatGPT do its thing and write out all of the script for us while we drink our coffee. Creating a YouTube automation channel is quite a tedious process when you have to write out a script by hand and make sure it's perfect every time, so it's useful to have a tool like ChatGPT which can do this for us. You can even ask for ChatGPT to write an engaging hook to keep the viewers interested in the video. Now moving on, this is a difficult choice that you're going to have to make when moving forward. You have to decide on the voiceover that you want to use, or you can record your own voice reading out the script, or you can even hire a voice on freelance websites such as Fiverr or Upwork. The route we want to take is by going down the AI voiceover path to manufacture us a voiceover. I suggest the websites Murph AI or 11 Labs. Now we want to move over to Pictory. This is going to be the tool that we use to turn a script into a video. I know this is very cool and makes the entire YouTube automation process a lot easier. You will also get a free trial to use with them, so be sure to take advantage of that how you will. Now go ahead and click Proceed and enter the name of your video, so the AI understands what we're doing. Next, just copy the script from ChatGPT, which we made earlier, and paste the script for the YouTube video. After pasting in the script, we can select a video style, which will best suit our video, as Pictory has a lot of video editing styles and different animation styles. Be sure to choose the one that you think will match your video, as Pictory will do the rest. Once we're happy with the editing style, go ahead and click Proceed to the next step. Pictory will add all necessary audios, videos, and animations for us. Sometimes Pictory won't add sound effects, so if it doesn't, be sure to just go to audio and drag and drop some in that you think matches. Once you've added your sound effects and you're happy with the video, you can go ahead and export the video. Once your video has been exported, we will then upload it to YouTube. Right now, there's a lot of great content out there which shows you how to set up your YouTube channel, but they don't show you how to do it with AI. I won't over-explain, as this part is simple, and I'm sure you get the idea by now. I'm not going to show you the name of this new channel, as I want it to be natural and grow on its own. So instead, I'm going to use a plain channel to show you this process so I can show you the growth in the future. When I showed you earlier the Horror TikTok Clips YouTube channel, they had interesting YouTube thumbnails. On this next step, we're going to head over to Midjourney. This is another powerful tool that will help us create a thumbnail for our YouTube channel. It can also help us create our YouTube logo. Midjourney is an AI program that is used for creating images with text prompts, meaning it can literally create you anything that you ask it to do. A bit scary, but it will work for what we want it for. To do this, just join Midjourney on Discord and set up your account. Then when you've joined the Discord, you want to type /. Imagine then whatever your prompt is. In our case, it's going to be horror related. In our case, it's going to be horror TikTok. But if you don't like the one you were given, you can always ask for another variation. Just click for a revision. Now we've finished everything. It's time to begin the upload. Remember, the YouTube algorithm is going to treat us based on consistency and the SEO that we put onto the video. So now you will want to download VidIQ and upload your video. Once you have done that, be sure to ask ChatGPT for a YouTube title and copy the YouTube title that you like. For example, I'm going to type Give me ideas for a YouTube video about TikTok horror clips? I'll then copy one of these and put it onto my YouTube title. Now that everything is done, you can also ask ChatGPT to write you a description, which we will now ask ChatGPT to give us a description for the title we chose. Now that everything is done, be sure to stay consistent with this guide as you need to rinse and repeat this process. This is really going to help you skyrocket your growth on YouTube and bring you in a steady income. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please leave a like and comment your thoughts in the comments below.